Good morning. This morning I'm back down here at one of my favourite locations, the beautiful Wyre Forest. The very first bird I come across today, and I hadn't even seen a blue tit or a robin yet, was actually a dipper sitting atop a little branch just poking out of a river. Now I could not have asked for a better welcome than that. I couldn't be happy with that. But it begs the question, what am I going to be looking for next? Now I'm going to go, hopefully, find my pied flycatchers again, maybe get some decent photo or video. But other than that, I've got absolutely no species in mind. So I'm going to go for a little wander, keep my eyes open, keep my ears open, and just have a little look. I've just been to the pied flycatcher location from my previous video, and I'm really glad to say that there's still a few about. Now, I only saw two, so a male and a female, and they were really high up in the canopy. So I'm presuming they're just collecting food for their young, if they've hatched out yet. But because they are so high up in the canopy, I couldn't really get too many shots, or even that much video footage. I think I only really got one clip. But I'm so happy to see they're still about and I haven't wandered off anywhere. And now then, this means that I've now got a free day, so let's go explore and see what we can find. Spring wildlife photography is so hard. So with all the plants and the trees finally growing again, it's so easy to lose birds up in the canopy and even just low with a brush. So as usual, I have got Merlin, like the app, like listing out for bird calls. But as I always say, I always take it with a pinch of salt. I don't trust it fully until I get eyes on with the bird. But yeah, it's been hard so far. So I had a pair of bullfinch, which thankfully spent some time out in the open for me. But I also had a pair of marsh tits, beautiful little black-headed, sort of like creamy grey birds. Yeah, gorgeous they are. But they're incredibly small, incredibly fast. And they were just sort of fleeting about in the leaves. So it's so hard to get, and I couldn't quite get a photo or any video, and unfortunately lost them. Now, I did get some really lovely photos and videos the last time I caught them here at Wyre Forest, so I recommend going to check that out. But yeah, just got to keep my eyes open. Hopefully I'll pop out again and I'll be able to grab them, but we'll have to see how that goes. This is bird photography in one, this is. we've just been so stupidly lucky. Went back to photograph the pied flycatchers, and as we were walking back down, we noticed some sort of movement up in the canopy. So got the binos on it, got the camera out, and we actually had a pair of spotted flycatchers. Now this is cool for two reasons. Number one, they're just cool. And number two, actually my very, very first ones. So the very first time I've ever seen one, ever in my life. So not even for this year, just ever. So that's a lifer for me. So this day is going fantastically so far. And picked up a hitchhiker as well. There he is, if you can see him. Ah, there we go. Haha, let's go. So just while I'm walking about, I just want to say a massive thank you to Canon RF Concept for supplying me with two ND filters, specifically for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The two they sent over was a dual pack, and it included a 2-32 and a 32-512. Basically means that I can cut out the light and actually get a correct shutter speed for video, meaning my motion blur is now correct. They also enable photographers to slow down their shutter speed so they can get beautiful motion blur on like waterfalls and water. Now, what's really cool about these ones is the fact that they're really thin and they're still magnetic. So you can actually leave it on the front of your gimbal and, well, turn your gimbal on and off without them getting in the way, unlike the sort of first party DJI ones. Now, I should point out, so full disclosure, I have not paid for these. Canon RF have kindly provided them for me, and you know, I couldn't be more thankful because I absolutely love them. To the point where I've actually ordered, using my own money, a ND with a built-in black mist filter, so I cannot wait to get that. So if you've got your own Pocket 3 and this sounds useful to you, please check them out at the link below and use the code Damien for 16% off all products in the shop. Myself and Luke are currently nestled right by the side of this river because there are a pair of dippers just flowing up and downstream. We're probably around 15 to 20 metres away from them, and they are not scared of us at all. They've been coming so close to us, but we're just ever so slightly blocked by the, oh, there he is, beautiful, just blocked by all the brush. But this is absolutely incredible. I could not ask for better views, and there's two of them, a male and a female, and they are both absolutely stunning. Sorry if I'm looking past the camera, but they are incredible, absolutely incredible. After half an hour of being scrunched up down here between all the bloody logs and the side of a river, just trying not to see. Well, trying not to get seen. We've just spent about half an hour watching a pair of dippers just going about their day, catching bugs, flying up and downstream, and it has been absolutely incredible, frankly. The Wyre Forest never ever fails to deliver, and I genuinely think I've got some absolutely beautiful photos and videos, and I really hope you enjoy it as much as I do, because just experiencing that and having a pair of dippers interact with each other, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. When I first started my YouTube channel, I once made a comment saying that I'm going to be given a very realistic view of wildlife photography. By that I mean you can't just walk out and just come across an owl, as every YouTuber seems to do. Well, sorry, I've just become that person, because behind me, I'm not actually sure what species it is, to be fair, but it's small, it's grey, it's fluffy. I presume it's just left the nest, so yeah, I'm not too sure what species it is, but there is an absolutely gorgeous little owl, or baby owl, on a little perch behind me, and it's just so serene. I can't get over that. It's incredible. Luke, comment. That's incredible, absolutely incredible. With the rain starting to come down a bit more now, and you know, the fact we've been out for about 8 hours at this point, we are finally deciding to call it a day. And truthfully, I think this might have been one of my most successful days ever. So, absolutely in love with the dippers. The pied flycatchers are absolutely stunning animals, and to top it off with that tawny owl, incredible. I couldn't be happier right now. So just want to say thank you so much for joining me once again. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, folks.